Welcome to my drunk kitchen, Greenwich University / Rose Bruford style. Hello! Hello!
Hello, and today on my drunk kitchen we have, I don't know what we're making actually.
We haven't decided
We
yet.
haven't decided, which could be interesting, but we have decided on a lovely beverage of Jack's.
Followed by 2 bottles of rosé. It's going to be a beautiful day, as you can see.
Top up already, my son.
Just didn't finish our first glass.
Madame?
Merci. Frederick! So yes, we are going to cook at some point. We have tuna, pasta bake, yes.
I don't have the cheese.
Shit. I would be married to you. Done. I think it's going well. Ching ching. Yep, you can do this. You can do this. It's going on like that. Oh.
Don't drink Jack's and then drink wine.
Not a good taste.
Not because you're mixing the grape and the grain. The grain and the grape. Good.
Good.
It's good.
It's good.
It's very good.
Very great.
It's very good.
We need to get more drunk.
Yes, we do.
Yes. Yes, we do.
Bear with us a second. We need to water this down or something.
No, water is bad for you.
Don't have it.
Things waiting for you. You can go your own way. How much longer will it take to connect?
Trying to work out how to make pasta bake. To cook a delicious oven-baked meal for 4, 250 grams of pasta in an oven-proof dish.
Oven proof. This is harder than I thought.
Pour over sauce, stir through and sprinkle with grated cheese.
Hang
On, do we cook the pasta or put raw pasta in?
Cook the fucking pasta. That doesn't cook pasta. Water cooks pasta.
Place 250 grams of tuna on the pasta in the oven-proof dish. Wait, enough of the oven-proof dish!
So much dish.
Too much dish.
Oh, cheese is for losers.
Cheese is for wieners.
You're making this sound harder than I think it is.
Egg. Look, step 1. Boil the kettle.
For fuck's sake. Oven proof?
This doesn't need to be oven-proof. This is boiling pasta time.
Everything needs to be oven proof, Zoe.
God.
Actually, I'm going to tell you a joke. A woman walks into a bar and asks for a double entendre. So he gave her one. Do you know what a double entendre is? Well, then there we go. Well, no, it's like when you say something and it means that, but it also means something else. Oh, God, you make me feel quite sick.
Chop me up. Chop me up, good sir.
Sure thing.
The kettle! You a little beast. Well, I'm afraid there's probably going to be limescale in this, so we're going to get kidney stones.
Kidney stones. I fooled you all.
We're just waiting for the water to boil now. This is dull. Pasta, butter, and salt and pepper is always a winner.
It is.
Don't stop the beat. Say don't stop.
Can't stop.
Don't stop the beat.
No.
I'm going to put this in the recycling. 'Cause you know what? All good human beings recycle.
She is so right.
It's boiling. It's a boiling. So, I want to tell you the nutrition.
Really?
What's the word for it?
Nutritious.
No, as in the
Nutritional value.
Nutritional value. Fuck! Now, protein's meat, right?
Meat, fish.
So why has it got protein in it? See?
Oh, you're hitting me with some hard questions on a Saturday night. Really? Is the pasta in the water?
What?
Have you put the pasta in the pan? Yeah. The pasta's overcooking.
The pasta's not in the pan.
But surely to cook the pasta you have to put it in the pan.
You raise a valid point.
Are you just cooking water? Buddy, yo shit.
Buddy, oh shit!
Buddy.
This way. £1. A bargain for student living. And
Two, buttery.
two, it's buttery.
Every move you make goes off in June as well.
Fuck, I better get going.
Eat it out the tub. Ever heard of that? We're gonna fall out.
Fucking hope not.
So what's your sexual orientation?
Hand me a cigarette. Do I look badass to you right now?
You're like Johnny Cash, just like
Johnny
fucking
Cash. I'd fuck.
risen from the dead,
Pass me the
man.
guitar.
Say hello.
Wow, look at you!
Yo.
Oh, thanks. Oh, fuck. Goodbye, Ingrid.
She's from Norway.
Have a good time. See you. I will, Ingrid. Have a good time.
Every sip it tastes worse. What is
Every sip you take. Nope, no one likes me.
Nope, no one does. Who said that?
She had a cat.
Meow. No, allergic.
Fork in it. See if it's done. Done. Shh. What you got to?
Oh yeah.
Different city every night.
Oh, I swear.
The world better prepare when I'm a billionaire. Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Get track of your wish list.
I
See you driving around town with a girl I love, and I'm like, fuck you.
Fuck the pasta! Boys and girls, that's another lesson of my John Kitchen. You ever get distracted by the sunglasses and musical genius that's on your iTunes? Because now we probably burnt the pasta.
It's done.
Fuck, it's done.
It's ready.
Bon appetit!
It's pasta time. The pasta is ready.
This is what's used for draining.
I will eat that. Show them mixing. Mixing up.
See that little bit of butter there? Make sure it's all the way through. No one likes a lump of butter! Now you get your salt and pepper.
Shit.
We don't even have an animal. Why is there dog hair on it? See that?
Cat. Get it?
We do.
Cat hair.
We are funny.
Thanks, Zoe. Did you put a whole tub of margarine in this?
In with it.
Fuck cutlery. You're a twat. This is awful. My junk kitchen was a fail.
In case of this emergency,
Papa John's!
leftover Papa J's!
What?
Woo! Chuck that fucking shit in the bin!
That's not the bin. That's the table. That's the floor. Fuck!
Yes! Oh, this is delicious.
This is great. Congratulations, guys. We did well.
Where's this high five? All we need now is some inspirational music.
So as you can see, it didn't go very well as we had to resort to the pizza.
Fuck, I think it went extremely well.
Thanks, Papa John.
Pizza and wine!
It didn't go well, did it, really?
No. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Fuck, it's 9 o'clock and I'm drunk.
Fuck!
I got love for you if you were born in the 80s. The 80s. Bow, bow. Who are you, Papa J? I have Angel Delight.
All this time, you've had Angels Delight, and we've been cooking fucking pasta. So attractive. What's it? Pizza.
You like that? Your hair looks ace.
Super ace. Okay, we've given up on Drunk Kitchen. The food was fucking awful. So we've decided to sing and just awfully sing, may I say. Sometimes you don't know all the words. That's life. It's a life lesson. You don't know all the words.
Don't
come back Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bittersweet.
Never mind. So I like you.
Life lesson for you. Don't mix the grape and the grain. Also, sing as if no one is listening. Whoa, Black Betty, Bamalam. Whoa, Black Betty, Bamalam.
I think this went swimmingly, and I can't wait to watch these tomorrow.
I can't. I never want to fucking see them again. I'm actually pretty drunk.
This was Zoe and Sophie's Drunk Kitchen.
It was shit. But do you know what's going to happen now? I'm going to drunk text some people I shouldn't text.
I'm gonna stop her.
Ah!
Didn't go well, did it really?
No.
1, 2, 3, go! Woo! My Drunk Kitchen over. Peace out. It was awfully a success. Peace out.
I'm so fucking drunk.
See you driving out town with the girl I love and the black. Fuck you.
Listen, kids, don't drink.
Nothing but the best. Oh, the finger of this is gonna piss myself on it. It's so funny.
Time to say good night. Bye.